Alright everybody, welcome to Clark's Place. Today we're going to take a look at this Vizio TV that has the black screen of death. It is, I don't know, an E50-E3, and got this from Cliff at Leaderboard. He just said it wasn't coming on, wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. So, with my handiness and some soldering, hopefully it's a capacitor on the power board. They said the power boards are like 50 bucks, so if I destroy a TV, I destroy a TV. So that's the plan. We'll go time lapse and tear it all apart in time lapse, and then maybe diagnose what I think is wrong with it. We'll see. Alright, so I believe that board there is the CPU. And this board here is the power supply. So I'm going to test all these capacitors and just see if any of these appear to be blown. There's a couple more big capacitors there on the board, and probably that could be what causes it. I looked at all the connections and everything seems like no connections have been pulled. So I think the boards are like 50 bucks. Looks like there's an inline fuse there, so I'll test that. And if something comes of it and I figure out a fix, there's lots of people that have videos out there that say unplug the TV and plug it back in. Well, that's not the type of repair this TV is gonna. That fix won't work for this. So we'll give it a shot here and see what we end up doing. I'll let you know a little later. All right, also inspecting, just at first glance, I don't see that anything looks crazy suspect, like it's burnt or fried or any capacitor. These will be like bubbled up on the top here if something was bad on them, but not seeing anything that looks surprisingly suspect. But capacitors are a good place to start, so we'll test all those and we'll see. All right, everybody, welcome back. It's been a couple weeks since I last did this video. This is the old board taken out of the Vizio 50-inch TV, and I got a new board from TV Parts Today, and looks like Evansville, Indiana. So we're gonna give this a whirl here. All right, so razor blade in hand. So if this works and fixes the problem, which it may not be, this is the problem. I'll leave a link in the description below for these guys, because they shipped it out and got it in about a week. And it was cheap. It's like 30 bucks. So's, ooh, that might be promising here. It looked like it was the same exact part number online, so they said warranted, all that good stuff. And another place that I ordered this from, they canceled my order like 5 days after I ordered it. So I was hopeful that I was still going to get something. Oh, it comes with a screw there. So the reason I got this, 2 parts, is it was a cheap piece to purchase. That is a known problem with some Vizios, that these go out. And so cheap, easy fix. Second part was because I tested all the transistors, all the capacitors on this board, and everything was fine on it. So I don't know how to test these guys. From what I could see, the little 3-pin transistors looked okay. They didn't test like they were shorted across each other, but I thought if I have one to test back and forth, all these capacitors I tested, and they all tested fine. So might be another component that if I have a good one, I can use it as a test bed back and forth, and maybe repair this one and sell this and make my money back. So we'll see. So next step, I got the TV over there. We're gonna take it all apart, throw this one in, plug it up, and let's see what happens. Cool. All right, here we are at the TV, and looks like I put the screws right back in their place. Saved me from myself here. Alright, so it looks like this goes here. That connection. That's where the power comes in. I think there's a connection here. I don't know if you can see it, but this looks like it plugs in maybe there. Forget. Oh, it plugs in right there. So that looks like it, really. Unless I took something else off. Just plugs in there, the power from the back. There's a gap over there that the power cord plugs into. So I guess I might just shut it up. Shut it up. And we'll get you to where you can see that. I think this is going here. Looks right. Looks like that clips in pretty good. Alright, she's buttoned up. I'm going to throw all the screws in real quick. Do some time lapse, then we'll put it on the bench over there, plug it in, see what happens. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see where the power comes in. Power comes in this side. Hopefully it just comes right on. Didn't hear anything yet. Oh, there's a light. I don't know if it's on yet or not. Alright, there's the power button. Those beeps from my phone, not the TV. So, apparently, the power board did not fix it. So maybe it's the other board on the right side. Oh, I saw it flash a little. Nothing. Let me try a reset here. It says unplug. Hold power button for 30 seconds. Alright, then plug back in. And that light is on, but I got nothing. So, all the secret handshakes I've seen on the internet, make sure to plug it in, all that garbage. Hold down 2 buttons for 5 seconds. It worked on a different Vizio TV, one of the secret handshake things, but it hasn't worked on this one. And changing out the power supply did not work. So I may make another video after this one replacing the other board if I can find that one. I just thought it was going to be power that was not getting power to the screen, but apparently that's not it. So stay tuned. This may get fixed eventually, or you may never see a video on this again. Either way, it was fun. Okay, that was just teasing about all the throw it in the trash scenario. So downloading updates, you can see it looks like it is a little darker. This is the very first screen that we saw. I came back out here tonight and the stinking thing was on. So the new power board fixed something, but I don't know if there's another underlying issue or if this is just how the menu screen is, like faded down. But when I did actually put in the password for our Wi-Fi and all that, you could see it pretty decent. So it may be fixed. It may not be. It may still end up in the trash can. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.